Alright guys, what we're going to do today is just, well, the stage 4 lockdowns is nearly ending, so time to give it a good beard trim and tidy up before we all return back to work. During lockdown I tried to trim some of my hair and it kind of don't even want to see the back of my head at the moment because my old trimmer gave way prior to finishing the job. So had to get a new trimmer, had to order one, had to wait for it to come in. Did a lot of research with regards to what I was after and obviously spendage. Didn't want to spend too much, but also didn't want something that was kind of crap either. So decided to go with the Philips. Got quite some good reviews. It's the Multigroom 12-in-1 Set Series 7000. Now, it's probably, only needed the 12-in-1, didn't need the 18-in-1. It was probably about $80 difference or so to go to the 18-in-1, but I'm Asian, don't really need to have that much hair, so didn't really need it. So what have I got in here? So it is a multi-groom, so does the body, hair and beard. Probably won't need to use the body bit, but that's all good. Now, does come with 2-year warranty worldwide, so even if you're trimming overseas, you're still kind of covered. 100% shower proof. I wasn't sure, everything I read, some said yes, some said no, but box says it's 100% shower proof, so I'll go with that. So can be used in the shower, not just rinsed. Now, up to 2 hours run time, quick charge. So if you're a bit like me, and you pick up the trimmer because you need a quick trim, and it's at flat, you can quickly charge it to a usable level and then trim it. So I'll let you know about that later on. Anyways, let's get to the main business and open it. So here we go. Okay, so let's see what we get. Sorry about the shabby box, guys. Looks like it was damaged in the mail, but hasn't damaged any of the product, I hope. So, okay, so what do we get here? So, manuals, warranty, a more detailed manual, extra year of warranty. So I wonder if it's 2 years plus an extra one, or whether that actually includes it. So not too sure, because most other trimmers only give you a 1-year warranty. So but some of the really good ones, such as Wall, have a longer warranty. Philips has a quite long one, as you can see as well. So see how we go. What else do we get? Now, pouch for when you're traveling. I guess I don't know where we're going to travel to because everything's in lockdown. But when it opens back up, that's what you can use it for. Or if you're going to your girlfriend's house or something like that, you can take it with you. So that'll be your traveling. Now, so 12 pieces. So there's two. They are plastic. There's a nose trimmer as well. Okay, so what's this? So this is the detailed metal trimmer. So you can actually take off the head, and if you want to run like a bit more detail through around the lines and things like that, you can actually use that and change the head. Show you. There you go. Alright, what else we got? So more of these. Quite a good thing. If you do want a bit more of a closer shave, probably won't be as good as a proper one, but it does give you one of those if you want to get more closer to the skin, which I guess is an added bonus. Let's just put that back. I'll worry about that later. Alright, little brush. Now, probably might get lost because it is a bit small, but who knows. See how that is. Okay, so there's your charger as well. Nice, small, compact, light, very light. So good for travel. And let's see the main product. So as you can see, it is made of stainless steel. There is some part of the rubber grip as well. Nice button there. So it'll stand on its own as well. So there's no stand. But very well made, so I'll show you the attention to detail. Right, weight wise, not overly heavy, unless you're quite, I guess, quite a lightweight, then yeah, you might find this heavy, but not heavy. It's probably quite a good thing. Shows that it's well made. And yeah, so that's the unboxing of the Philips Multigroom Series 7000. Comment in the below if you do want me to actually review the product after using it for a little bit, and if we get enough comments, then I'll probably review it and give you a real world experience. But yeah, lockdown's nearly over, boys and girls. I guess if a girl wants to use it, they can. But yeah, lockdown's nearly over, so big lockdown 4.0. Let's go back to normality and stay safe, guys. We're all in it together, and see how we go. All right, thanks for tuning in, sorry, not coming in, and I'll speak to you soon. All right.